Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making some polygel nails with some golden chrome French ombre. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First of all, I would like to prep my nails. I'll come in with my cuticle pen and push back my cuticles. Next, I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface of my nails. I'll file the sides and the tips as well. Next, I'll come in with a dehydrator to get rid of any excess oils that might be on my nails. I'll come in with a base coat and give my nails one coat each. Using my base coat as glue, I'll apply my fake nails onto my natural nails, push it down into the cuticles very well. I'll cure it for about 5 seconds just to secure it in place. Afterwards, I'll go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. I'll file off any excess plastic on the tips. I'll file the surface as well to make adhesion very easy. So I'll come in with a base polygel. This is usually a pea amount, and I'll just apply it onto my nails just like how I apply a base coat or a nail polish. This will help secure the thicker polish in place. Afterwards, I will go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds. Now I will come in with a thicker polygel and shape it up with the help of my brush and slip liquid. Then I will go ahead and do the rest of the nails. Cure it for 5 seconds to secure it in place. So everything is done. I'll go ahead and cure them for 60 more seconds. I'll come in with the file to give it a little shape. Now I'll give it a glossy top coat. Using this golden chrome powder, I'll pick up a little bit with the applicator and just apply it to the tip of my nails, working my way downwards to give it the ombre effect. Working with chrome can be messy sometimes. You have to be careful because it goes everywhere. Afterwards, I will give it a glossy top coat to seal it in place. I'll come in with some cuticle oil to help relax my cuticles. And here we are. Let me know what you think. Do you like them? Don't you like them? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.